Hello, my name is Lucia and I'm an EFT practitioner and EFT master trainer. I offer workshops for people who are absolute new to EFT and who want to learn EFT in a small group setting via a workshop that I give online. And I also train EFT. Level 1 and level 2 students, and for people who want to deepen their knowledge about EFT and really want to use EFT to totally transform their lives. And that's what I do. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use EFT and apply it with your pet. Your pet might be in distress, maybe because of firecrackers going outside of, or it's bonfire night, or it's New Year's Eve, or your pet actually might be ill and it might experience discomfort and pain. So always recommend that you use EFT first on yourself. Of course you can use EFT on your pet, but that I actually go into depth with in the workshop. So if you want to attend a workshop, just hop on that. But for this purpose, I just wanted to demonstrate how to use and start using EFT and tapping in regards to your pet. So you would tap on the side of the hand and you could say something that is about your pet and how you feel. And I say this and I recommend this because our pets do pick up on our distress a lot and our own pain, which is often also emotional pain, such as stress, anger that causes stress, or anything that is going on in our lives. So you would tap and then you would just express how you feel. And that's the setup statement. Even though I feel stressed about my pet, and you could be giving more details, going more into detail with this about my pet's distress or my pet's pain. I accept that I feel this way and I'm safe anyway. I mean, even though I feel distress because of my pet's distress, and you can just really name your pet, I accept that I feel this way and I am safe anyway. And then you go to the top of the head. I'm really distressed and stressed about my pet's pain or distress, all the stress. And then you would just go through those points that I show, of course, in another video, and you would just state and just keep repeating, I'm distressed because my pet is distressed. I'm distressed because my pet is distressed. All the stress that I'm experiencing because my pet is distressed. Yeah? This stress that my pet is going through. This stress that I'm experiencing because of my pet. All this stress and all this pain. All this stress and all this pain. All the stress that I'm going through because of my pet's pain. All the stress that I'm feeling because of my pet's pain. So take a deep breath in and then see. I always start tapping with a round or two, but now you could just use a notepad and a pen and really rate between 0 to 10. Where are you on the intensity of your stress? Could you be more specific? Could you really say more about your stress? You could, for example, just tap on yourself and see if you can calm yourself down. Tap on your stress, let's say at work or with somebody you've had an argument with or whatever, and then see how your pet seems after you've calmed down. So I leave you with this. I hope it was helpful, and if you want to learn more about EFT, do check it out on my website and get in touch. Okay, you will see me in my next video. Bye.